In front of me is Nubia Z60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app. If you never used it before, make sure to tap on Allow and Allow while using in all available pop-ups for Recorder to work properly. Then click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Format Settings and apply the best format by clicking on it. To start recording, use blue button at the bottom. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same blue button. To add a bookmark, click on flag icon next to it on the left. And to add a photo mark, click on camera icon also on the left. Then take a pic. And to discard it, hit X at the bottom left corner. To add it, on the check mark at the bottom right one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Then name your recording however you want to. And select Save. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. To adjust some of its options, click on all of those located above Play button. If you wish to rename it, hold it instead of tapping on it. Tap on Rename option at the bottom and change your current name or name it for the first time if you didn't do it before. To delete it, you need to hold it as well, but this time choose Delete option next to Rename one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!